Alright, so good morning everybody from Hollywood Studios. I am gonna go run really quick and go get on Rock and Roller Coaster because it's from 10:45 to 11:45 and it's like 11:35 right now. So I got literally 10 minutes to make it over there. Once I get off that, I'll tell you guys what I'm planning today and all the cool stuff I'm hoping to do, so stick around. Now I'm gonna go head over to Star Wars because Star Wars is my next ride, and then the plan for the day is to try and see how high of a score I can get on Midway Mania. And then hopefully I can make some kind of tutorial out of it. Hopefully. Alright, let's go to the next spot.
Last night in my dream, all on the sheet had been disconnected. Time started the wind, and all of my friends had been disaffected. And now I'm searching for trust in a city of rust, a city of vampires. Tonight, Elvis is dead, and everyone is red, and love is a satire. And now I know my heart is a ghost town.
Alright, so I got a snack because I was hungry and it was already like almost 1 o'clock. Now we're gonna go back to Toy Story Land and go ride Slinky Dog in Toy Story Midway Mania, and I'm gonna see how high of a score I can get. Alright, till we get over there. You see the screen? I don't understand what's going on. What are they building back there? What are they doing? Have you heard anything? Alright guys, so as promised, I'm going to show you a couple of my tips for Toy Story Midway Mania. So the first room you go into, it's going to be a bunch of different animals in the farmhouse. So what you're going to want to do is to shoot the fox in the bottom left hand corner. That will open up a bunch of other boxes that you can hit and get a better score. So this next one is the volcano room. You're going to want to hit the balloons that are going vertically up by the volcano. That will open more balloons that have more points, and so on and so forth. In this third room with the plates and the army men, you're going to want to keep an eye out for flying plates. There's going to be two that are going to shoot up from both the right and the left. This is where teamwork comes in handy. So if you've got a teammate, let them help you. Obviously the moving plates are going to be more points. When you shoot the two plates that go up vertically on either side, the mountain's going to drop down and there's going to be a Jeep that's going to be shooting plates out at you. The last room, Woody's Roundup, pretty self-explanatory. You're going to want to hit the targets. They're going to expand to bigger targets, and then you're going to hit all the targets that shoot out from that.
Alright, so I didn't do so hot the last time. We're gonna do this again. We'll see how I do.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I did so much better the second time around. I'm going to make another video just like the Buzz Lightyear one with all the tips and tricks to have you max out your score on Midway Mania. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe.
I tried again. I failed. Alright, so it's time for me to go. I did better. I didn't do great, but I did better. I got a drink because it's warm today. It's like the warmest it's been in a while. So, anywho, hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me. If you guys had fun, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe because, you know, you don't want to miss like any other cool videos that I might make. But anywho, till next time guys, see you next time.